I remember seeing the pictures of her, and she passed away, and she's an ancestor now. She passed away, and these are her words, "Still I rise," and these are for you to make sure that your class gets them too, okay? You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still, like air, I'll rise. Does my sassiness upset you? Thank you. Does my sassiness upset you? Why are you beset with gloom? Because I walk like I got oil wells pumping in my living room. Yeah, just like moons and like suns with the certainty of tides. Just like hope springing high, still I'll rise. Did you want to see me broken? No. Bowed head and lowered eyes, shoulders falling down like teardrops, weakened by my soulful cries. Does my heartiness offend you? Don't take it awful hard, because I laugh like I've got gold mines digging in my own backyard. Does my sexiness upset you? Does it come as a surprise? Can I dance like I got diamonds at the meeting of my thighs? Out of the huts of history's shame, I rise. Out from a past that's rooted in pain, I rise. I'm the black ocean leaping and wide, welling and swelling, I bear in the tide, bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave. I am the dream and the hope of the slave. I rise. I rise. Still I rise. Africa for the Africans, at home and abroad. I get a little excited.